Hi friends, welcome back to Glam Your Look. This is Priyanka. I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm again going to share with you a newly launched makeup product review. So I have brought this makeup product for you. You can see the packaging. So this palette, it is not new actually. Before also they have launched this type of palette with bronzer and two highlighter sets. But currently they have launched this particular palette that has this blush shade in it. So I found it really very interesting and it was looking so beautiful and gorgeous. So I immediately ordered this from flipkart.com. So you can check out this particular palette in Flipkart. It is available on Flipkart. So the link I will give in the description box. Let's begin with the review of this palette, and after that I'll be applying this on my face and I'll be showing you. This is the packaging of this palette. This comes in a beautiful cardboard packaging. You can see this is a black matte cardboard packaging, and it's written Swiss Beauty Ultra Glow Highlight and Bronzer Palette. So on the back side some details are mentioned, like about this highlighter palette, and also about its claims, like it is ultra blendable, it is silky formula, it is highly pigmented and a long lasting stay. So as you can see, there is paraben in this product, both mineral oil and paraben. So if you have some issues with paraben, then please don't take this palette. And the net weight is 12 grams. We are getting 4 years of shelf life to use this product, which is a pretty long period to use this palette. And the MRP is mentioned over here. MRP is rupees 349. This product is cruelty free, as you can see from the symbol, and my shade is 03. So guys, look at the packaging. It's so beautiful. I just love this packaging. The packaging is also very lightweight, very sleek, and it's very travel friendly, and also the packaging is very secure. So as you can see, it closes really well. It's very tight. You can see it. Plastic is not at all flimsy or cheap. It is very good. And on the back you can see some details are mentioned, like the ingredients are mentioned. So ingredients are mentioned both on the outer packaging and here as well, and also the expiry date is mentioned. Only thing that is missing in this packaging is a mirror. So if they could have given a mirror, it could have been more handy. So as you can see, this shade, it is a brownie golden sort of shade, and this is very good for deeper skin tones. So if you have a deeper skin tone, in that case this particular shade will be the perfect highlighting shade for you. So definitely you can use this particular shade. Excuse me because there is some background noise due to the fan that I have switched on. It's so hot, that's why I had to switch on the fan. So you can see these shades are really very versatile. So all these shades will look good on each and every skin tone, starting from fair to deeper skin tone. And this blush shade is a pink shade, you can see, and it has a sheen. It has a sheen. So if you are applying this blusher, in that case you need not apply any highlighter. So it will highlight your face. And this golden highlighter is also good for all skin tones, starting from fair to dusky skin tone. They're so creamy and buttery soft, you can see, not at all powdery. So for the price, the quality of this palette is very good. So you can see the shades. I'll be swatching over here and showing you. So you can see they're so gorgeous and so beautiful. Awesome. So coming to the lasting power, they will last for around 4 to 5 hours on your face. So after that it might fade away a little bit. So you can see it is not at all powdery. Oh my god. Be very careful because it's very highly pigmented. So you have to apply a very little bit, pick a very little on your brush. I picked up more, you can see. So for the first time I'm using this palette. So I was not knowing it's so much highly pigmented. Oh my god. I have to blend it really well. It has little bit enhanced my pores. So I hope you can see now. It has little bit enhanced my pores over here. I have a little bit pores over here. So now I'm going to bronze up my face with this palette and this shade, and I'm going to see how it looks. So on top of the highlighter only I'm bronzing. So you can see. So I don't think this shade is going to work as a bronzer, because bronzer actually they gave a sun-kissed warmth to our face and it looks so pretty, but this has highlighted my face and it has also enhanced my pores little bit. So I would recommend this shade as a highlighter only. This is not a bronzer. cannot be used as a bronzer. So I'll also show you this shade as a highlighter on my face. I'll be applying on the bridge of my nose. So you can see immediately it has given me such a good glow, and it's so much highly pigmented. On top of that also I'm applying, you can see. Ooh, looks so pretty, so beautiful. Also I wanted to mention one thing, like this shades can also be used as eyeshadows. So I'm going to apply this pink shade on my eyelids, and I want to see how the pigmentation comes on my eyelids. So you can see I have not applied any eyeshadow on my eyelids. Oh my god, look at it guys, look at it. Looks so pretty on my eyelids. Oh my god. So you can see it looks so pretty. You can see guys, actually I mixed both these shades. On the top of pink I have applied this bronzy shade on my eyelids, and it looks so pretty, so beautiful. So now I have applied eyeliner and mascara. You can see I have used Maybelline Colossal eyeliner and Essence mascara. So you can see my eye makeup looks so beautiful even without applying any eyeshadow. So let's talk about the pros and cons. The first pro is its packaging. The packaging is very beautiful, so classy, so luxurious. The second thing is the pigmentation. The pigmentation is bomb. It is very well pigmented for the price, and the price is also very low. For only rupees 349 you are getting 3 shades, and can be used as a blush, as a highlighter, as a eyeshadow. The important thing that I can tell is you can see the texture. So it enhances the texture on your face. So if you are having any big large open pores, so in that case you have to use a pore filling primer first, and after that you can apply a foundation, and on top of that you can apply this particular product. Another con that I found, which might be bothering to some people, is the chunky glitters. It has little bit, mainly this bronzer shade has little bit of chunky glitter in it, so this is very blinding, and it doesn't looks very natural. So if you are taking anything for parties or weddings and everything, so you can go for this palette. But if you want anything for everyday kind of look, a very natural subtle look, then in that case you can go for other highlighters, like you can go for sugar highlighters, Wet n Wild, Maybelline. So those highlighters are good. So that was all about this product. So I hope you like this video a lot, and this video is helpful to you all. And if you want to see such type of videos on makeup, newly launched makeup products, skincare products, I do such type of videos. So definitely please do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. So see you in my next video.